Sean P. Diddy Combs has been the target of multiple lawsuits since his September arrest. Accusers represented by Tony Buzbee, an attorney located in Houston, have filed the majority of those cases. It has been stated that Buzbee is representing 120 people who wish to sue the 54-year-old fashion mogul and rapper. A well-known guy appears to be suing Buzbee personally now. An individual named John Doe claims that a legal case involving the attorney and his firm is threatening him with wildly false horrific allegations. An unidentified high-profile individual went to LA County Superior Court first thing on Monday morning to sue Tony Buzbee. The plaintiff allegedly hired the prestigious Quinn Emanuel law firm for this purpose. According to TMZ, the man did admit to knowing Sean Combs and going to events with him. Nevertheless, he went on to accuse Buzbee of shamelessly attempting to extort exorbitant sums from him and threatened legal action alongside the complaint. Entirely fabricated and malicious allegations of sexual assault, including multiple incidents of rape of a minor, both male and female, against plaintiff if he refuses to comply with their demands, the aforementioned Texas lawyer allegedly wrote in demand letters addressed to Doe. Some have speculated that the lawsuit effectively ticked the clock on the purported ultimatums involving extortion, and according to Joe Doe's paperwork, Mr. Buzbee and company threatened to sue him unless he tried to resolve this delicate and important matter through mediation. The plaintiff attempted to bolster his extortion allegations by citing Buzbee's prior litigation, which included cases involving NFL players Brandon McManus and Deshaun Watson. The primary grounds of the Doe's lawsuit are extortion and intentional psychological harm. Although this revelation follows an announcement that Tony Buzbee made not long ago, he has not yet made a statement on the subject. A few days ago, the attorney acknowledged that he had sent demand letters to famous people who might have been involved with Sean Combs' wild parties and other antics. That is typical practice in a legal case such as this, Buzbee said at the time. Additionally, he stated that the eventual goal is to capture everybody that was involved in this, including those who were actively engaged in this egregious conduct, those who were enabling it, those who were present but chose to ignore it, and those who benefited from this conduct. At the same time, P. Diddy is still waiting for his trial at Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center. He faces 14 pages of charges in an indictment that includes allegations of racketeering, prostitution via transportation, sex trafficking, and more. This occurred months after Diddy's residences were searched, during which time numerous bottles of lubricant, computer gadgets, and documents were discovered. Accusations of sexual assault and violence are among the many grounds for the lawsuits brought against him by the accusers represented by Buzbee.